Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be talking about the operators in JavaScript. As in the other languages, JavaScript includes operators too. An operator performs an operation on single or multiple operands and produces a result. For example, 3 plus 2, where plus sign is an operator, 3 is the left-hand operand and 2 is the right-hand operand. The plus operator adds two numeric values and produces a result, which is 5 in this case. JavaScript includes different categories of operators like arithmetic, logical, assignment, conditional, and comparison operators. So first I'm going to start with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations between numeric operands, like in the example we had before. Let's move into the practice. So first I'm going to create some variables and I'm going to give them different values. X will have the value of 10 and y will have the value of 5. So now we can start with a minus operator, which you should be familiar with. I'm going to subtract the variables I created before with each other inside the console log function brackets. And as you can see, we will get 5 as a result because 10 minus 5 is 5. Now let's multiply these numbers with each other. In programming, we use the asterisk for multiplying numbers instead of x. So we will get 50 because 10 multiplying 5 is 50. If we would divide in programming, we would use slash instead of colon. So let's try this. As you can see, we will get the value of 2 because 10 divided by 5 is 2. In programming, we use %sign for the modulus operator. A modulus operator divides the left-hand operand by the right-hand operand and returns a remainder. So let's try this with our variables. We will get 0 because we didn't have a remainder. So it means that 5 fits exactly 2 times inside 10. But if we would change the x value from 10 to 9 and we would do the same thing again, we would get 4 because 5 doesn't fit even once into 9 and the difference between 5 and 9 is 4. In the arithmetic operator category, we also have the increment and decrement operators. The increment operators increase the selected operand by 1 and the decrement operator decreases the operand by 1. So with that being said, we can move to the comparison operators. The comparison operators are able to compare two operands and return a Boolean value which can be true or false. So I'm just going to show you a quick example of what I mean. I'm going to compare the two variables inside the brackets with these two equal signs, and we will get Boolean value of false because the operands are not equal. In programming, we will also come across another comparison operators with 3 equal signs. And there is actually a difference between these two operators, namely this one compares the equality of two operands considering the data type. To compare the inequality of two operands, we will use exclamation mark and equal sign. So if I change my code operator into this one, we will get true because they are not equal. You might also be familiar with the less than or greater than operator from the math class. You might also be familiar with the less than or greater than operator from the math class. This works the same way in programming. You can check if one operand is greater than or lesser than the other operand. So I'm going to show you guys an example for that. What we are doing now is checking whether operand x is greater than y. We will obviously get the Boolean value of true. For the other way around, we will get false. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about the logical and assignment operators. Thanks for watching.